Hello, my name is Shrees. I want to talk to you today about possession of child pornography in Virginia. First and foremost, if you are being investigated for possession of child pornography in Virginia, or the tactical police have broken down through your door and have questioned you about possession of child pornography in Virginia, or receipt of child pornography in Virginia, or production of child pornography in Virginia, or distribution of child pornography in Virginia, say the magic words, "I want my lawyer." Don't talk to them. No good will come of it. 99% of the time, I have never seen a case where my clients have benefited by talking to law enforcement. I've been doing this for over 20 years. So trust me when I say, don't talk to them. Alright, let's talk about what it means if you are charged with possession of child pornography. The first thing you need to know is that if you ever thought you're browsing the internet without anyone monitoring you, then you're wrong. Law enforcement officials are frequently monitoring child porn sites with the intention of charging people who are either viewing it, downloading it, sharing it, reproducing it, etc. In today's day and age, one of the most common ways you are going to get charged with possession of child pornography or distribution of child pornography is if you use something called BitTorrent. If you're using a BitTorrent and you have enabled the share folder on your computer, it's going to grab all the different files in your computer, images, music, etc., and make it available for somebody else to come get it off your computer. At that point, if you have any child pornography on your computer, you are probably engaging in the act of distribution of child pornography. So often, clients tell me, "But I didn't ever intend to distribute child pornography." Sorry, doesn't matter. Because you have enabled, and I understand, that's the default setting in BitTorrent, or in any kind of file sharing, such as LimeWire, things of that nature. The default setting is for you to automatically share. If you don't take the time to turn off that feature manually, then you're going to be sharing child pornography if you have it on your computer. Alright? So, if you are, again, investigated or accused of child pornography, immediately stop talking and say, "I want a lawyer," and call us. We can help you. So, what kind of punishments await for those who are convicted of child pornography? In Virginia, possession and distribution of child pornography are 3 separate felony charges. So there's possession, production, and distribution. It is not an ordinary crime, and it results in sentences that are harsh and pretty onerous. It will not only amount in jail sentences, but also fines, a criminal record for life, and registry as a sex offender, which will result in your entire life becoming a mess. What does the child pornography law state in Virginia? In Virginia, possession of child pornography violates Code Section 18.2-374.1:1. According to the statute, any person who knowingly possesses child pornography is guilty of a Class 6 felony. Any person who commits a second or subsequent violation of subsection A is guilty of a Class 5 felony. Any person who A. reproduces by any means, including computer, sells, gives away, distributes, electronically transmits, displays with lascivious intent, purchases or possesses with intent to sell, give away, distribute, transmit, or display child pornography with lascivious intent, or commands, entreats, or otherwise attempts to persuade another person to send, submit, transfer, or provide to him any child pornography in order to gain entry into a group or association or assembly of persons engaged in trading or sharing child pornography shall be punished by not less than 5 years nor more than 20 years in a state correctional facility. Any person who commits a second or subsequent violation under this subsection shall be punished by a term of imprisonment of not less than 5 years nor more than 20 years in a correctional facility, 5 years of which shall be a mandatory minimum term of imprisonment. The mandatory minimum terms of imprisonment prescribed for the violations of this section shall be served consecutively with any other sentence. Any person who intentionally operates an internet website for the purpose of facilitating the payment for access to child pornography is guilty of a Class 4 felony. Who can be accused of child pornography? The accused must have knowledge of possessing the child pornography image or video. Also, there needs to be some direct or circumstantial evidence that the accused knew about the possession. What does production of child pornography amount to? Soliciting or alluring a minor to be a subject of a child porn video or picture, and attempting or preparing or producing child pornography, or financing or attempting to finance a child porn image amounts to production of child pornography. What does distribution of child pornography mean? Knowingly distributing child pornography by reproducing, copying, selling, giving away, and electronically transmitting will be the basis for charges of distribution of child pornography. If you have any doubt that you are being accused of possession, production, or distribution of child pornography in Virginia, then contact my office immediately. Call us at 888-437-7747, and we can sit down and discuss how I can help you. I wish you the best. Call me if you're being accused or investigated for child pornography. Thank you.